Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 499. One episode away from 100. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Link is pinned at the top of the chat. If the animations are moving slow, it's because there's two of them out at the same time. Oh, dude, so many people in the chat. Thank you for being here. Happy Friday, May. Todd, thank you for being here, man. Good evening. Christina, yo. Greg, Crypto Greg, what's up? Jake's in the house. Dude, near I canceled my GPU because they refer to sell bots. Interesting. Ready? Yo, Hammer ready. Awesome. Doesn't matter. What's up? SBCA, good to see you. Came into. All right, awesome, dude. Thank you for being here. Carthago, good evening. Trampus, what's up? And Yolanda Flarking. Everyone's in the house. Thank you for being here, guys. It's so cool to be here on an awesome Friday night. Soka's in the house as well. What up, y'all? What up, Soka? How's it going, man? Someone's saying greetings. How about sushi? Dude, I haven't had sushi today, but we can look at it. Dip buying ADA? Ooh, right, awesome, dude. Y'all juiced up? Nice, man. It's good, it's good. Let's get rolling through this awesome stream, because why not? What else are you going to do right now besides watch a stream? Tomorrow, episode 500. I'm not sure what we're going to do for episode 500, but still going to figure out something. We're going to do something for episode 500. We'll figure it out. Now, let's move on to the next zine where we do everything in something different. This little thing up here, sorry, I always get messed up. This little thing up here is not going to be where we had it. A lot of people have messaged me saying it's distracting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it one stream on, one stream off. Right? Something like that. So right now I did put in the stream. It is going to be in about the same place. It's just going to be very tiny. And if it's still distracting, I might just have to change it. Yeah, I do have my whiskey glass ready as soon as I finish my coffee because I'm really, really tired right now. So you can tell it's right there. It's still tiny, but it's there, man. You might not even be able to read it. So if you can't read it, let me know, and then I'll just remove it completely for today. We can, just keep on with the scroll one in the bottom, and I'll get it up there again. Again, that display that you see here, that used to be down there in the corner, comes from Crypto Displays, CryptoCoinDisplays.com, and the link's in the description, and you can get your display with 10% off using the code State of Crypto. Right? So go check them out. It's really good. It's really good quality, man. I'm really, really amazed. It looks really good. I've had it on every day for the last couple days. I just have it there on the wall. Every now and then I look up and see that. Gavin says, I can't read it. I'm blind. All right. So I guess we're going to remove it for this stream. We're going to have it here on the next one, right? On tomorrow's stream. It's going to be one day on, one day off. So, Gavin, thanks for being here. What's up, dude?
What's up?
We won't see a display on today. No display today. I'm gonna have to, like some people were saying it was too distracting. So tomorrow it'll be here. Day after tomorrow, won't be here. And then, one day on, one day off. That's how we're gonna go with it. I do really appreciate it. I mean, the guy sent it to me and said just put it in the screen and make sure you show it on the stream and talk about it. It's really cool. So the guy is hand makes them. So if you are into that, you want a display like that, you can have on your wall, look at crypto prices running through. It's pretty cool. Loads up to 10 cryptos, and it's good to have it there as a quick reference. That's really what I use it for. So that being said, let's move on and start going through the markets. So 500 tomorrow. We do have a new goal. I set up a new goal up there. It's gonna be a laptop. I do realize that two things. One, I don't have a backup in case my PC fails. And two, if I were to travel, I'm not going to be carrying my whole PC setup. So I do need to have at least some way to connect so I'm able to do the streams when I'm traveling, right? So at some point in time, I am going to have to be able to have... doesn't matter. Thank you very much for that.
Let Friday start. Thanks for being here, Martin. Can you do BTC/CAD for Gavin?
Yeah, sure, man. We'll look at BTC CAD first, and then we'll look at regular Bitcoin. It's gonna be a new goal. I'm not sure. I don't have a target. I haven't looked at laptops yet. I do know it needs to have some punch. It needs to have a graphics card that is able to run this stream and whatever I'm running through, and output the data at good rates. So just have a good graphics card there. I need some RAM so I can some good hard drive space so I can record the videos. And the lighting, I don't mind. They're small light panels I can carry with me. Same for the camera, I can just carry with me. Mouse, Stream Deck, everything else is very portable. It's just the desktop, right? And I'm gonna have to buy basically a laptop and a USB monitor so I can have at least the two monitors set up, because just one screen is not going to cut it. I use two screens now. Once I get the desk, I'm going to upgrade to 3 screens. But I do believe a laptop is going to be in order, because if I ever need to travel or anything like that, there's not going to be streams for those days unless I get something that I'm able to stream out of. So Can I ADA to the list? If you do add the Steady Crypto ADA, I will put it on the list. Yeah, I'm not sure. I still gotta find models. So right now there's no goal. I have to find something that works and that I can run with. And it's basically, if I'm gonna buy something, I'm much rather buy something that's gonna be future proof and just spend once, but spend on what I need for the future, then spend a little bit and then in a couple months be saying, oh, well, this thing it's no longer gonna work. I'm gonna need another one. So I just rather spend it one time and doing good and buy exactly what I need, right? Ooh, interesting, Andrew. Let me know about that. Anyways, let's roll. Total market cap, what is happening? Well, we went slightly higher. We're coming lower. We have some of that bearish divergence developed here. This is very slight, but it's there. It's strong bearish, right? It is strong and it is bearish, so it is there. It's there, my friends. High to low as well, right? We are bought at 64.85. On that note, I'm going to go and look at, again, not a lot happening. Starting to move down slightly. It's fine. Still at $1.68 trillion. So it's still pretty good. I miss you all so much. Awesome, dude. Never been here, man. So let's see Bitcoin dominance. Where's it at? 62.52. It gained a little bit of dominance yesterday. 0.59 today, losing 0.31 at 62.52% of market cap. Bitcoin futures closed at 57,075. So that's good. The fact that we're below it right now, it's not really that bad because we did close at 57,000. That means on Monday, if we don't manage to go up right now, we're really going to try to go up again to close that gap if we were to move down. So I'm kind of okay with where Bitcoin futures are at, particularly with the price of Bitcoin at 56,000 right now. Bitcoin $56,650. Again, moving down, still above the support at 55,406. Again, the bearish divergence, potential double top, stuff that we kind of talked about yesterday might start to develop. This is not going down with a lot of strength, and I like the fact that this candle from yesterday got eaten back up a lot. So that just means that we're bullish. Remember how I was saying that all the wicks have been getting eaten up all the time? That's still showing bullishness. I mean, we didn't manage to push as hard, but it's still bullish. And Bitcoin does need to go down a little bit more before we actually run through, I think. We're getting back to the all-time high with almost no strength. And that's going to damper it. So let's go to Canadian Bitcoin. Where is Canadian Bitcoin? Here it is. At $70,000. Go sell Bitcoin in Canada. Canadian Bitcoin made all-time highs on the wick of today. That small wick. Wicked all-time highs for Canada. It's good, man. Can you please check FTTBTC? Sure, man. Are you with the hype? What? What hype? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at XRP. It's going down, so let's keep rolling. What is happening here with the corn on Canadian dollars? Again, going on the closing, though. On the wick, we did go higher. On the closing, we're going high to low, high to low, and high to low. Nothing bearish on Canadian Bitcoin. Bought at 65.39. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Low to high, high to low, high to low. That's some bearish divergence there, man. Why is the Canadian Bitcoin so much higher? Wonder why it wicks higher, man. Maybe because of the exchange rate? Could be right. Could be possible. Again, here we're going from positive to negative. It's high to low still, right? Positive, less positive, or positive to negative. Again, that bearish divergence strong to the downside, right? We're down, hitting that 20. Trying to find some support. Are we doing something? Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Nothing here, man. Let's go to the 1 hour. For some reason, I have this line here as support, I guess, or confirmation or something. I can't remember. I drew it such a long time ago. We rarely look at it, so. Again, that divergence that we were looking at on the 4 hour, it's still here, and it's very present for Canadian Bitcoin. Canadian Bitcoin having some strong bearish divergence, fraction of downside, move down on that again. We're starting to recover a little bit. Low to high, negative plus negative, low. Ooh, I'm actually going to have to check this. Neutral sold at 38.03, and then here is 38.19, slightly higher. We could even say it's sideways motion. The question is, are we going to have some? Nope, we don't, because here we're going higher, so no divergence, no bullish divergence. Pumping up a little bit, that's fine. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing else that is bullish. So, Canadian Bitcoin doing okay. Neutral at 49.78, but it will move along to the rate of US Bitcoin. So let's look at Bitcoin to the dollar. Bitcoin to dollar, we had a support here. That's fine. If you remember, we're messing around with another support yesterday. That was this line here. Remember, for coming from way down here. I just didn't put it on this chart because we were already getting too many lines. And we talked about this. We said, look, it's finding held support here. So I'm looking at this line. It's more or less where we went, and that is fine. We did recover from there. We might retest it. Again, we're not strong enough to get above this previous high. And that's what I'm saying, that the steam is kind of running out on this bullish move. Had the bearish divergence, went down, did find support at 55,406. We're just failing to get higher on the previous high. Again, not a lot of strength right now. Might try to chill here for a little bit, maybe reset some of the oscillators before it runs up again. Sure, man. BCH, why not? I'm not sure. I do have it updated here. At least thematic, it should be updated. Give it a second, see if it reloads. And if not, we'll check. Thanks for letting me know, May. Let's do that is it, dude. Stimulus deposits started this weekend. Awesome, dude. That is cool. We might see Bitcoin pumping on the weekend. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep doing this, man. Let's keep doing this, man. What is happening with the regular Bitcoin? Again, nothing here that is... We might have created some hidden bullish here on this last bit. I just gotta double check. Then we went against the RSI, we have it. So, yep, lower. That's why. This happens to be the reason for the bounce. The mighty bounce that failed to get higher in the previous high. The bounce of shame. We'll see it back to 1.1 tomorrow. Bitcoin stagnating on the weekend would certainly help alts move. Bitcoin has had a bullish move this last couple days. So, again, that's what we'll be waiting to see, right? Covering very nicely, neutral. 46.30. Let's go to the half hour. I think we had something in the half hour Bitcoin before. We rarely go there, but let's time jump there. Yeah, that's the old red support line. That is fine. I want to see here stuff real quick. High to low, high to low. High to low, high to low, high to low. What's going on? Nothing. Not finding anything bullish here. Right on. Back to the 1 hour. And on that note, Bitcoin going to the weekend with sideways motion consolidation. That's what we have right now. Look at this. Up, down, more or less along the same line. I don't like that this high is not higher than this high, right? It can start to put some pressure on that Bitcoin price to maybe go down. right? We're failing now after, watching Bitcoin yesterday do very good to create a higher high. So again, not the best looking thing right now. Again, not really super worried about it, right? Breaking 55,000 might start to get a little bit worried about it, particularly if we go below 54K. So, that being said, let's go to Ethereum. ETH going down, fighting support. Interesting. Let's go on the daily. Bearish divergence, action downside, moving down. Finding support at $1,729.25. Neutral at 54.70. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour high to low, high to low, high to low, low to high. Right on. Here we have this divergence here. And I'm not sure if we're still trading it. 1406, 13. Nope. We are creating. Well, we're gonna have that to there. Still, it got us up. Hit that 20. Rejected on the next couple candles. That's fine. We know hidden bullish is sometimes not as strong. What I'm looking at here is this move down. Right. This move down is creating some strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Negative, less negative. Momentum, right? So we're losing that momentum as we're coming lower on the price. With that, we could be looking for some action to the upside. That is it for this. Neutral at 47.55 on the RSI. So really we're not getting a lot of reads here around the market. Again, we had that head and shoulders. It failed to play the throwback, right? Oh no, the shame. It's no longer there. So we're gonna get rid of it. It didn't play, right? It was looking so positive for a second. And then, Bitcoin running under the parade, going down a little bit, making everyone move down. And that potential target move or that measure move is no longer there. Anyways. I'm really gonna zoom in here a little bit. Jeez. Alright, cool. I can work with this. Going low to lower low, right? That's the first move that Ethereum is doing here on the 1 hour chart. We're flatlining. Just going sideways, right? We're going negative, less negative, and then negative, less negative still. So, strong bullish divergence got us to the 20, rejection. Medium bullish divergence trying to get us to rally again. And against the RSI, both times, I believe we have bullish divergence strong. I got to zoom in here a little bit more. Look at this RSI, yep, a little bit better. And here we go, right? Again, RSI also going higher. So we have the strong bullish divergence action to the upside. We're starting to move up. About to head for that 20 moving average at 1,762. So on that note, that is it for Ethereum. Again, if we reject the 20 moving down, again, puts us at 1,729 for support. And if we break that support, then it's 1,674. Let's see where we go with Ethereum again. Let's see if this bullish divergence gets us to go up. Albert, Orion Protocol. Awesome. Interesting. So, let's keep rolling. Binance. What is happening with the Binance? Crypto snack. Right now, I believe we're going to get some slight sideways motion on Bitcoin. That's what it's looking like, right? We did leave a gap up on the futures chart. Right, it closed at 1,775, I think. And right now, Bitcoin's price is below that. So if we still move down on the weekend, we might see the price of Bitcoin go up to catch that level. We do have a lot of bullish indicators that point Bitcoin to the 60Ks, even 70Ks in some cases. But we gotta wait for them to play out, right? We're at a point right now where if we start moving down, right? We're at a point where if we start moving down, we might start creating a double top on Bitcoin, right? Terry Tom, blue camera, looking sharp. I'm not sure when you were last here, Terry Tom, but the camera is about, I'm not sure, maybe about less than a month in, almost a month, I would say. Can't remember, but yeah, it's a newish camera. High to low, high to low, high to low, low to high, low to high, low to high. Hidden bullish again with that action to the upside. Right now below that 236. Facing as resistance. We managed to close yesterday above that 236, barely. Today we opened, moved below it. We haven't quite gone to that 20 yet. It looks like we actually closed below that. Interesting. So we're moving down again, and we're seeing this indecision, right? A very small body with 2 wicks to the side. Top wick a little bit less than the bottom one, but again, still showing some indecision. It has not moved much in the 3 hours and 30 minutes that the market has been open for, tomorrow, Saturday. Looking okay. Neutral 57.99. That is it for Binance. Let's go to, Binance on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour Binance. We're looking for some bearish divergence. We didn't get it. We did get that action to downside on that day, and then we pumped more. That is fine. Really not worried about this. Okay. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing bearish, but high. Hit bullish divergence developing. So potential fraction to the upside, or at least sideways motion. Maybe some stagnation happening here on this hidden divergence. There we go. Neutral at 45.37. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. No lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Here in this last leg, means that we're doing something bullish. One quick second, guys. I'll be right back. What's up, John K? Thank you for being here, man. One quick second. I'm back. Thank you guys for being here. Bring facts in the house with the bullish Seamus. Bitcoin will rake 57K during the stream. Awesome. It's a good guesstimate. Someone's feeling bullish. What else? By the way, guys. Make sure I'm not missing anything here important. Hit the like, the bell, and sub. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. Make sure I'm not missing anything here important. You can also, if you want to use the little Seamus emojis, you can hit the join button right next to the subscribe button. There's a join. It's like a small membership, I guess. It's not that expensive, I think, and you get access to really cool emotes that we made. And the more people we get signed up, the more emotes we're able to upload. And I do have up emotes that are still waiting to be uploaded because we don't have enough people there. But if you guys want to join us there and become members and support the stream that way, that's gonna be awesome. Let's keep rolling, man. Hidden bullish, potential fraction to the upside. Starting to move up slightly on that. Not hidden, strong bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. We're starting to move up on that. And again, very nice. Hitting that resistance line at that. See the 261 or the 336. 236. Yeah, 236 here on Binance. That is it for Binance. Let's go to Litecoin. The corn of lights. hidden bullish. Action upside, high to low, high to low, high to low. Bought at 62.72. That's it. Nothing happening here. Did have a very nice day yesterday. Pumped 9.61%. So doing really, really good on Litecoin. Right now, starting to go down a little bit with Bitcoin and the markets. Maybe getting some of that bearish feeling that Bitcoin is sharing across all its crypto space. Do we have something here? I doubt we're gonna have it, dude. Let's see.
Can you please look at Kyle?
Yo, DJ Frasian, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it, man.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Yes.
Thank you very much for that, man. Thank you very much for that. It's awesome. Yeah, man. I'll do it right after Litecoin, right? 'Cause I already started doing this one, so we're right here. That we will do KYL. I'm not sure if it's a reversal yet. Right? I've been talking about that yesterday. That we might start creating a double top. I'm not sure if it's a reversal yet. We have not confirmed it. We have not even started to go down, man. We just gone down very small amounts twice. So we're dropping like 2% yesterday, maybe 2% today. It's not really a lot yet for it to be a reversal, right? Again, we're borderlining here. It's high to low, right? But it's very, very slight. I'm not going to call divergence. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a little bit on Litecoin. I really want to see how it's going to play because, we pull back down slightly and it's getting rid of that point being, so I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait on Binance. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart. I'm not seeing any patterns, right? That's why I'm not calling any patterns right now. Like head and shoulders. Like this could have looked like a double bottom of sorts. Right. I probably haven't even hit target on it. So low to high, high to low, right? Positive is positive here. With that, we're creating that bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, sir. Fresh into downside. Strong bearish, by the way. So we're looking for potential movement down here on Litecoin. We're getting some of that already. Trying to bounce near the 20. We didn't quite hit it. So what are the options for Litecoin, right? We need to get higher than this previous high for it to negate this divergence, right? Otherwise, we're still subject to this divergence and it's still going to put pressure on that price to go down, right? So again, careful with the Litecoin, right, and how it's going to play out. That's it for Litecoin. Let's go to KYL. Kylo Ren. KYL at $1.54. So not a lot of history here in the daily. Some history in the 4 hour, but not enough to make a call. Right? Not a lot of pattern formation. 1, 2, 3. We could say 3 rising valleys here at play, right? It looks okay for a 3 rising valley. This would have been our first valley. This would have been our second valley. Again, this word played, right? So it's that's why early pattern identification is key. And some of the ones I was looking for yesterday are not playing out because Bitcoin moved down and moved the market down with it. So again, the move would have been from here to here on the short-term moves. Again, just very quick targets. Would have met all 3 hits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then its target would have really been around 34% or somewhere along that line. I was going to take a quick measure from here to here and see if we hit it. Yeah, we obviously went over that 30%. So it's breaking everything, right, on KYL. The question is going to be whether or not it's going to keep on rising, I guess. And the fact is that we don't have enough data yet. On the 1 hour chart, might show bearish divergence, but this trend is really bullish, right? It just went parabolic. So when it's in a parabolic advance, you don't want to be trying to catch that train. It's already left the station. Could it keep on going higher and higher? Yeah, but the higher it goes, the more and the longer it takes to get in, the more likely it is that you're going to be buying near the top. Maybe get some pullback happening there. You might be wondering, dude, why no fibs? Because I don't think we're making a valid retrace yet. All right, I can try to get some fibs out here. Maybe in the wick, we could get some valid retrace happening. We said that we whipped that 236, but I'm not sure if we can consider this a actual retrace because it just hit the bounce real quick. So the 1 hour chart might give us a better clue to where this is at. So yeah, we didn't quite hit it there. We didn't have no candle closes. We bounced at the 20. So we do have bearish divergence, right, for that moving down. Low to high. Right. Some high to low here. Also high to low, right? Low, high, negative, more negative. So that hidden bullish divergence is coming back into play, helping us rally a little bit more. And again, not too bad. Getting that reversal where we're expecting it to get it more or less. After an impulse down, maybe some support here on different fips, right? If we look at different fips, so.
Matic, kind sir.
Yo, Black Sheep, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man, that is so cool.
Like-
Yes,
like
we
a
will
robot.
look at that for you, man. So again, bearish divergence, action downside, moving down a little bit. Trying to pump back up. That's fine right now. Hitting that support at the 20. If it breaks that higher point here at $1.56, could be looking for more action downside. It's not really far away. It's at $1.54, so big chances it might try to retake that level. That being said, it's bought at 63.94. I'm not really seeing a lot here as patterns, right? As far as patterns, this whatever we had here on this tree, Rising Valley, already played. I'm gonna put a lot of weight into it. It's already gone. This opportunity, right? This setup is already gone. This opportunity, you're buying it at a premium right now, and you should want to buy it at discounts. You want to wait for some kind of retrace to happen. Now, how high can it go before it starts retracing? We don't know yet. Right? We don't know. We can try to guesstimate where it could go by using some Fibonacci. And that'll be going from high to low here, right? I'm going to get some targets from high to low. It's going to throw some fips to the upside. Potential target at 169, 188, and then even 208 and maybe 227. That's what I would be looking for on a potential movement to the upside. Right now, again, we don't have anything bullish to help us push through these levels, so we might still reject this previous high. Maybe we try to get higher. Look at where we're at on that positive momentum, right? And where we're at on relative strength, we're lower, so and we're very close to the high. So even if we break above that level, we're gonna start creating immediate bearish divergence. Might start to put some pressure on the price to go back down on KYL. Just keep that in mind as you set up your trades. Let's go check out what? KYL, let's go Matic. Hiker Jesus, how old are you, man? That's cool. You can base trade of 2 charts, man. You can trade base of 2 charts. That's fine. If you need my attention, dude, just you add the set of crypto. It'll ping me. It'll come up in a different color, and I'll be able to see what you're talking about. I have no clue what you're talking about. All I heard, it's fine. Don't look at the chart. What? Something to mark it up. I'm not sure what you're talking about. I have not been looking at the chat that often. Like, if you look every now and then, comment on something that's happening, that's that. I'm not scrolling through the chat. If you need to get my attention, please do add the set of crypto, right? I have no clue what you're talking about. Anyways, Matic, bearish divergence. We were looking for that yesterday. We did get pullback happening. That is fine. We still have bearish divergence against the RSI. Not against the MACD. Against the MACD, it's peachy. We're bought at 84.46. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we did go to that 4618, hit that final target. Starting to retrace, find support at the 2618 right now. It's all good. Low, high, high, higher, high, and then through here, high, and also slightly higher. So it's all good here on Matic. Low to high, negative, positive, low, high. Oh, it just bought at 65.37. That's it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bat, sure, man. Let's put in the list. High to low, high to low. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Low to high, negative, more negative. All right, so I'm hitting bullish here on Matic on the 1-hour chart. And that's it. So I'm hitting bullish, helping us pump again. Hitting that 3618. Look at that beautiful hit. Spot on that 618 on that 3618. Now rejecting. We did try to hold to the 20 at support once, twice. Now finally breaking it. So again, next support at the 2618, 40.80 cents. That's what we're targeting right now to move down. Let's see if we can manage to build some support here. Maybe start creating some different kind of consolidation. Check it out.
Is it too late to get in on CHZ Orange?
Yeah, we can look at those, dude. Give me one quick second, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's awesome. CHZ or engine. Sure, man. Let me finish Matic and we'll check those out. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I really, really appreciate that. XVS, sure. Here's 49.03.
Also, you're the man. One up.
Yo, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. That is awesome. Thanks so much for the kind support. Let's do the Matic. Let's finish the Matic. That's it, I think. How to This is for Matic. We're consolidating. It's down sloping. You can probably tell we're hitting some kind of resistance here. On a move like that, again, resisting. Then here we also have a sort of like down sloping channel building here, being built. So we're gonna go with that right now. Really not a lot, just consolidation. It's okay. Matic done. Let's go to cheese. What's up, dude?
At myself.
Dude, that's awesome. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is so cool, man. Dude, Canadian dollar went up in value because the Canadian dollar donations are higher. Interesting. I just noticed that. That coffee was so cold at the end. Wasn't even good to drink. Let's drink some whiskey. Someone says they're drinking whiskey. Yeah, I'm gonna drink. It's gonna be a good night. Kermbatsai all night. Yo. Cheers, guys. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Yes, the weekend is upon us. It is great. Cheers, Mamba. Thank you very much for that kind donation. I'm gonna wait for it to play too before I celebrate, though. There it is.
And another 1E.
Thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very
very much for that. Let's go to cheese. she's got tip for it and engine as well. Mamba, you're battling yourself. Let's go daily. She's pumped so hard, dude, that I remember I told you we have bearish divergence. She might not play. It's going extremely bullish. You can still go, keep on going higher. It did. It went high as hell. Ended up getting 105% yesterday, dude. That is so freaking crazy, man. Like, how did this thing go and gain 100%, man? 69.42 right now. Jeez, it's insane how much it pumped. Nothing bearish still. It's just going higher. Overbought at 92.18 is highly overbought, but that means jack in a bull market. So again, on the daily, if we go from here to here, we're not making any valid retraces, so nothing there, man. Sure, man. Kareem Butside, what's up, dude?
Cheers. Someone pass high car to drink.
Yo, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Very much. It looks like Mamba is no longer battling with himself. Doesn't matter what or wine. I'm not even sure how many people are watching, but thank you all for being here. If you like, what's up? Another one.
Hi Martin, check out sushi please. Price discovery any targets? Thanks.
Yo, thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. Yeah, it's awesome. Kareem outside. I decided to pop up after you said what? How old are you? Hi, Kurt. All right, awesome. There is yes, there's a list being queued up for tip coins, I guess. CHZ engine and sushi. It's next. What's up?
Challenge accepted. Just cause you're always so good.
Thank you very much for that, Mamba. I appreciate
Say
it.
it with me.
Legendary, man. Legendary. There it is. Thank you very much.
Need your help. New to crypto. I sold out my ADA at 1.02. I want back in on $12,000. Thanks from the Great White North.
All right. Thank you very much for that, man, Andrew.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Are we in Seamus levels? Some people are doing the Seamus call. We are. We have reached Seamus levels. May keeping track. May keeping track of the Seamus. There it is. Seamus McConnell coming out to play, man.
I think we should check in on DXY. Getting wrecked?
Sure, let's keep queuing up stuff, dude. DXY. There we go. Dude, there we are. I'm waiting for another one to come in. That's why I haven't done the celebration.
Hype to hovers.
Hi to Hypers. There we go, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Since both of them came together almost, hold another one up. There we go. One up to you guys. That's so awesome. Thank you guys very much for that. I appreciate it. Dude, Andrew, I don't understand your question. You need your help. You need to crypto. You sold your ADA at 1.02. You went back in on $12,000. You want to buy ADA back in at with $12,000? Is that your question? Please let me know if that is what you meant. Super Simzo. Just give me a second, man. CHZ. Let's go to the... Am I gonna be able to move through CHZ, dude? Another one!
Pew 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 chicken way pew pew pew. Sharing you some of my CHZ gains. Pew 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 pew. Still have 150 characters I'm paying for pew pew pew.
That's awesome, dude.
Yes, I woke people up.
Alright, I guess.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
One for Craig and one for Mamba. There we go. Two up, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that, guys. Yeah, let's check. Let's check what we're doing, man. We're with cheese still. We haven't finished CHC. So the cheesy coin had bearish divergence. Said again, Remember I said, might not play out. We're still like going bullish. Went higher here. This one we kind of lost, so I'm not too worried about that one. I do believe we're keeping the one divergence against the RSI. Look at that, right? Because RSI we still have strong bearish divergence. Again, possibility of fraction of downside. So if you're worried about it going down, just set up a stop loss. That will be fine. If you just want to see keep on pumping, just write it out, I guess. That's it for this one. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for cheese. I understand that it's going up. So I'm waiting on Andrew to reply. Man, Andrew, dude, I appreciate your donation, man. I'm trying to get if what you're saying is you want to buy back in $12,000 worth of ADA. Or you're going to buy something else. I wasn't too sure about that, man. Keep it nice in the chat, guys. Come on. I was looking at top chat again. Let's go to live chat. That's why it was off, dude. There's Andrew, dude. I seen your comment. Yes, please. Does it look like it's coming down or going up? You want to rebuy? All right, cool. So ADA, I guess, on the list. So ADA. It's gonna get shifted in position, I guess. Right on. Right on. Yep. So we get a queue. Cheese, engine, sushi, DXY, and ADA, right? That's what's been tipped for. I'm going to start moving through that, and we'll see what is happening, right? Again, cheese in the 1 hour, getting that bearish divergence, right? We had bearish divergence here. We're looking for some of that movement down. Again, even here in the short term, we move down slightly, not a lot. Again, on the longer trend, move down slightly as well. So the bearish divergence don't seem to be playing along very nicely. Going up higher, higher, and then higher here. So nothing bearish right now. I'm not going to call anything bearish for. I'm just going to get rid of these lines because they're no longer playing out. Again, remember, it's super bullish, so. Again, getting some pullback might hit for that 20. At 60.26 cents. That'll be the target I would have for this downside. Again, upside. Prior discovery, we had not made a valid retrace, so we cannot target anything to the upside. If we start to bounce from here, we could get some fibs happening from here to here and get some targets to the upside, but right now we don't have anything else for it. Again, cheese is going crazy. Let's go to engine. Engine to the dollar. What's it doing, man? I don't think Seamus has come in. Has he? I haven't seen Seamus. He might be in. Engine. Awesome. Still pumping. So on the daily, we had bearish divergence here. We did rest for 2 days on rejection of the 1618. That is fine. Find support at the at the 1%, 100%, at $1.52, pumping from there. So again, going up high. Have not yet made target at the 2618 at $2.23, but that's where it's heading to, right? Overbought at 84.95. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, man. The 4 hour, again, going higher, coming lower, creating some of that bearish divergence. Probably why we're seeing some of this pressure and it failing to get to target, right? Has not gone to target yet. It should get to target and buy stuff at target. Had to low and then had a low as well, right? All this on the mighty 4 hour chart. Again, yo. That's it. Bought at 67.5. By the way, I need a widget for Seamus blood alcohol content. Interesting. Yes, I do. What? Tom Bitboy, a tip meter for Seamus 250. Showing his blood alcohol. Interesting, yeah. There are 2 Andrews in the chat. Sometimes 3 when CryptoBoss Andrew's here also, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right on. Low to high. To low, high to low. Bearish divergence. Action and downside. Strong bearish divergence. We move down on that. Great. Now we're creating hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence. fraction to the upside. 5 build. I'm not sure if you're here, 5 build, but if you are, thank you for being here. High to low, and then high to low. So nothing bearish right now. Hidden bullish, getting us to go higher, but we're failing to get higher than the previous high. Thus, we're getting continuation of the strong bearish divergence. We're still testing that 20, but we're unable to get above this high. Getting above this high could get us on target to hit that 2618 and then even seek higher prices. We really got to figure out where we're going to go. That's it for engine, dude. I wish I had better news. There's no pattern here. Consolidation broke to the upside. It was down sloping. It was okay. But failing to get higher again. We're just consolidating still at this level, right? We're getting that sideways motion. That being said, I'm not seeing any other pattern formation here. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. There could have been something here. I'm not sure though, but they're starting to look like a cup and handle. Not sure we have hit target for it though. It's a very, very tiny handle. It is coming. I gotta check if it's coming from a 30% rally or so. That's the only thing I gotta check, but it isn't. So it's not, well, if we count down here, but you know, it has to be coming from a downtrend, right? At least 30% on the rise to the lip. But I guess it would depend where we anchor from. We could say that we're making a valid, yep, maybe. We could say that we're probably making a valid cup and handle here. We might have had also another cup and handle right from here to here. And the handle here, and we rallied on that. And sometimes cup and handles comes in sets, right? Sometimes cup and handles come in sets. You get cup and handle, cup and handle, and cup and handle, right? You get one after the other. So here we have a cup and handle, rally, creating another cup and handle, rally. We might start creating another cup and handle, right? Sometimes they do behave in patterns that repeat. So again, interesting to see that we have a potential cup and handle formation here. That being said, that's going to be it for engine. Let's go to sushi. Right, again, here I'm not sure this will be a 30% rally. So I would be a little bit more hesitant on this cup and handle now that I'm looking at it and I zoomed out. So from here to here, we're looking at a 50% rally. So now I'm not going to give it this cup and handle. It looks like a cup and handle, but there are rules for cup and handle, right? It needs to get a 30% pull back up before the first lip and then start the motion onto the cup part of the cup, right? So of the cup and handle. Let's go to sushi. Sushi, let's go there, man. People are hungry for sushi. It's going to pump soon. What? I'm not sure. We're talking about engine, please. Andrew says sandal, cup and handle. Not sure. We'll check. Let's go to sushi. $20.78 on the daily. Again, no cup and handle here, though, right? It needs to get a 30% rally, so no cup, even though it looks like cup and handle, no cup and handle. Look at this, it's all upsloping. It's not looking too good, right? Not looking too good because if I were to anchor, go like this, right, and then go like that, we're looking at a rising wedge. Those tend to break the downside, right? Again, upsloping consolidation tends to bring exhaustion, and that exhaustion tends to break down, so watch out for that. Yo, yeah, I'm doing sushi. Again, we're starting to create this bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence, but I do gotta say this is a new positive momentum island that's starting to form. That being said, it can continue on growing. We'll still probably keep on making that strong bearish divergence fraction to the downside. But again, this is just starting to develop. We also have this divergence against the RSI. So bought at 64.14. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Right on, dude. New 1-hour candle open. Ha ha ha. Let's keep rolling. High to low, right? Very slight, but it's there, man. It might shake this one off, right? But we have that divergence, and it is bearish, and it is there. Guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub. Also, join us on Discord. Link is pinned at the top of the chat. It's good for the algorithm when you hit them likes. YouTube says, yo, this guy's dope. Let's promote him to other viewers. Bought at 69.31. So again, we're probably getting rid of this divergence right now. Right meow. Almost. Slightly lower still. We're about to shake it off, right? So I'm just getting rid of it. Again, it's just this hour starting to create it. So I'm going to wait for the hour to end. But again, there might start creating some bearish divergence here. Yeah, I need to update that ticker, man. Thanks for letting me know. After Litecoin, I just got flooded with requests. I just haven't updated it. So, KYL, Matic, CHZ, Engine, Sushi, right? DXY. ADA. Bat. Sorry guys, I'm updating the list real quick. Sandal, that's it. Awesome. Let's save this. Let's roll. Let's keep going here. Sandal on the Sushi in the 1 hour. Low to high, positive, more positive, and higher, even here, higher. So I'm not seeing anything here that is bearish right now. I'm also, 1, 2, 3. We had the 3 rising valley pattern here. What would play to the upside on the 4 hour? We might just be making that second valley. 1, 2, 3. Bring the confirmation line here. This could be a setup for a 3 rising valley. It's already starting to play though. So Sushi not doing too bad. You get that V bounce shape. Pull back down. Yeah, not looking too bad, but it doesn't have anything bearish right now, right? Nor anything bullish or any other pattern that we can look at to say, yo, it's doing this. We got 3 rising valley that I was talking about, right? 1, 2, 3. Confirmation to that valley. 1618 is a hit. 2618 at $21.59. Then 22.79. That would be something that we're looking at here for the 3 rising valley pattern on Sushi, man. Let's go to the DXY, man. DXY. Thank you guys for being here. You're awesome for hanging out with me on a crazy Friday night. Tomorrow, episode 500. I'm not sure what we're going to do. It might be crazy. It might just be a normal stream. You're going to have to tune in to find out. Let's go to the daily, dude. DXY. What's it doing? Where'd it be? Let's get this on the auto scale first. Low to high. Low to high. Then low to high. That's it. High native. More native. And to do right now. it's not really doing anything bearish or bullish right now, right? We had this bearish divergence, move this down, that's fine. Look, low, lower, positive, negative, low, lower, low to high, and then could say here, I don't usually like the anchor from here. We have to go to an island, but not really seeing a lot for this right now. Getting some pullback. Well, we got above that 92. We're unable to hold it, right? We know it's a resistance. Able to hold $92 and 16 cents. So starting to go back up a little bit. Probably part of the reason that Bitcoin is going down. We'll see. Let's go on the weekly. Figure out what we have there, man. What? You guys are crazy. Foul video, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciate it. On the weekly, right? Look, high to low, low to high, low to high. We're triggering, or we're looking for some hidden divergence, right? Hidden bearish. And that's what we're getting to play here on the weekly. Interesting, sir. With that, I would say, let's move along. Again, the DXY, it's there. It does have some bearishness. It is hidden bearish. Primary target at 20. Haven't quite reached it yet. But that's what we could be trying to reach before we actually look for bounce. So again, the 20 sitting at 91.14, right? Sorry if I said dollars earlier. The DXY is not in dollars, right? It's just a measure against a basket of currencies. Great. Let's move on and check out something. We're going to look at ADA. ADA right now. I find it interesting, in the screen, you cannot see how close the mic is to my mouth. It looks like it's really far, but it's really right here, and my mouth's like right here. The distance is like this. It's like nothing, man. The distance from the mic to my mouth. It looks farther though, right? It's so cool how camera angles play tricks on everyone's eyes. So let's get ADA done on the weekly, or the daily, sorry. There we are. Oh, thank you very much, Andrew. Do appreciate it. So good. Right, Cardano on the daily. We're looking for the hidden bullish. We didn't get it here. We were hitting that stagnation. Yesterday, we finally managed to drop. Guess what's happening? This just all gets dragged down with it. We still have that hidden bullish. Here it played, right? It gave us that sideways motion that we were looking for. Even attempted failed rally because the next day we barely undid what we had gained. Then the next day we just undid that small gain. Now we're moving down. We're still, we are below, I think, 100% high here. Yeah, 100%, right? We're below 100% closing and about to head to that 786 at 91 cents. We do have support at 95, but we're really not doing a lot here. We're just in the middle of nowhere zone. There's really not a lot of support here at this area. So if it doesn't get its act together, it could drop. And I'm looking at some indecision. Look at the candle, man. Very small body, two very large wicks to both sides. Again, some indecision happening right now. We don't know where we want to go. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Again, bearish divergence. We were in a triangle. We said we're bound to break it soon whenever we drew it. We're breaking it, try to hold support there, and we failed. Now we're moving lower. So we should be looking maybe for a measure move of that triangle as a target. Man, this is gonna be a big drop if it hits that, dude. Even below at 76, we'll be targeting 79 cents. I hope it doesn't go for that measure move. I really hope it doesn't go for that measure move. Lower, negative, less negative. We do have some strong bullish divergence that's starting to develop, and that could be good for Cardano. Not looking too bad on this. from here to here. High to low. Bought at 33.76. That's it, dude. That is it. Strong bullish, potential fraction to the upside. Let's see if we can manifest this into a rally that we need for Cardano. Sold at 33.76. Again, it's sold. It has gone over sold. It's back to sold. It's reset the MACD. It's reset the RSI. Could be trying to go for a rally, man. Let's hope so. Let's hope we get this manifest into a rally. Remember, this consolidation just turned into a sort of fallen wedge here of sorts. Let's get onto the 1 hour chart. The drop was so immense. If you were holding this, it probably just felt like you were going out of a precipice. Like, oh no! Crash. And the move we had here was, I'm not even sure we had. Yeah, we had it against the MACD. Some strong bullish that got us to pump. We hit the 20, we're rejecting it. So, you know what happens when we fail to get above the 20, right? And we just hit it. Could be looking for action to downside. Just be careful, right? It's not really looking too strong to break that 20 yet. So if it breaks the 20, it could be looking better, but on failure to break in the 20, like it did here, right? Drop, right? Hit the 20, reject, drop lower, right? Even here, reject, drop lower. So if we don't get above that 20 moving average on the 1 hour chart, we could be looking for a move down on Cardano. Again, I'm not really finding a lot here on this coin. Let's do some small term fibs here, low to high. Sorry, high to low. We're making a valid retrace. We hit that 236. Look at that. We hit it for a candle, broke back below it. Right now, we're facing that as resistance. If we get above that target, we have the 20 to get above again. And if we do, we could be looking at a retrace to maybe hit $1.08. Otherwise, it could be back to $1 almost on the dot here, right? When I move down on ADA. Right on. That's it for ADA, man. Again, I really wish we had some better patterns forming here that we could talk about, like falling peaks, inverse cup and handles, head and shoulders. We don't always have to be forming a pattern, right? So, again, very nice recovery. This shows bullishness, right? That pump, it could start to flag a little bit here and get continuation. So, hitting the 20 is just not the best, right? And then a flag downsloping formation, that would be action to downside that we were talking about, right? So let's see how this is going to play out for ADA. Again, not looking too clear as to what it wants to do, because it's failing the 20. It's below, it's getting back above now at 236, but really needs to get above that area and confirm it wants to stay on this level for it to be able to move on higher. Right now, we can come back to it in a recap. I'll actually circle it for a recap later on. Let's go to RSR, dude. Finally. We're now continuing where the show left off before the crazy donations came through, which I really appreciate, guys. Thank you very much for that. You guys are awesome for donating to this channel, man. And for being here. Chandler, what?
Thanks again. Very grateful for your input.
Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Andrew. That is so kind.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Dude, Chandler, what's up, dude? I'm not sure. Do you need my attention or something? Yeah, it's not on super chats. It's on tip goals. Remember, super chats do take a lot out from it updates. It's gonna update on everything that comes through PayPal or crypto donations. Super chats for some reason don't add up to tips, and if anything, I would have to update it manually, because remember, YouTube takes 30% commission of every donation. So even if like the donations for like $5, I'm not gonna get $5. So that means the goal would have to be increased. If I were doing it on Super Chat, I would have to find a computer and then increase the goal by 30% at least. So I could get, you know, one, or not 30%, but you know, whatever equivalent it is that after 30% is taken out, I will be getting left with, you know, what I need. So yeah. Not right now though. They take 30%, and after they start doing taxes and holding taxes, they're gonna basically take up to half, maybe. Right? They say up to 24% of taxes they can withhold. So we're gonna see how that's gonna play out. So at first, for sure, I'm gonna be hit with I get hit every time with 30%, but once they start withholding some taxes, which I'm not sure why they're gonna withhold taxes for me when I'm not a U.S. citizen, it's beyond me. But you know, apparently, because now tips are considered royalties. I'm getting paid royalties for this, which again, it's awkward. So donations became royalties so that the U.S. can tax it. And since they're gonna get taxed, I'm not sure. Might be subject to anywhere between 0 and 24%. So I'm not sure how we're gonna get hit yet. But it could become an interesting hit on the donations still, where, you know, out of everything you guys give, it's just gonna end up being so diluted towards the end on super chats. It's just weird. I mean, I do appreciate the super chats and I appreciate the donations, but you know, YouTube just takes so much, and then the government gonna dip their hand onto YouTube also to take more out. So it's becoming weirder, I guess. Yo, yeah, GRT's 2 coins up, right? Let's get to RSR. Yeah. Yeah, Cointree and OneUpCoin, they both go 100% to me. Cointree doesn't show on the screen. OneUpCoin does show on the screen. OneUpCoin is limited on the coins that are just on Binance. I think you can donate whatever's on Binance through OneUpCoin, and then Cointree, we can just make whatever basically go through. I just need to have a wallet and be able to receive any crypto there. So it's interesting, right? So, yeah. Again, I don't want to get into political talks and tax talks. Apparently, they're taboo or sorts. Anyways, bearish divergence, action downside, moving down on the daily again at 6.5. Not too bad. Neutral at 56.02. Nothing bullish holding on here. Head and shoulders pattern played beautifully. Hit target and then some, and then pull back down. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, market's still bullish, so don't worry about this yet. And bearish, moving down. Had the hidden bullish, went up, hit that 20, rejected. Now we're creating strong bullish, which is good. It is good for RSR, bro. I didn't want to click that. I was like, looks awkward. That's not what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Here we go. 4-hour chart. What are we doing? Have some strong bullish divergence. Awesome. Neutral at 41.34. Let's go on the 1-hour chart. High to low, high to low, high to low, right? Low, lower, just here on this last bit. I'm going to be able to call this divergence. So, bearish divergence. No, I'm kidding. Not bearish. It's bullish. It's strong bullish. What are we talking about, man? Strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Don't have it against there, so I just need to make the.
Thanks again. Very grateful for your input.
Yo, dude, thank you very much for that. What?
Pew 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 chicken way pew pew pew. Sharing you some of my CHZ.
Is this thing gonna start doing what it did yesterday? We're starting to repeat all the donations again.
For pew pew pew.
Yep, it's doing it. I'm not sure why this thing is doing
Can you
that.
please look at Kyle.
It really messes up the counts on what gets reported, man. Yeah, it's weird, man. I'm not sure why it's repeating, dude.
Cheers. Someone.
I'm gonna skip them real quick because I think these are all repeats. So. That's it. My buddy Flax, his paint is doing things. Let's go see that real quick. Just one quick second. Paint is doing things. Paint's at 3,000. Oh, whatever paint I got is now $3,400. Very interesting, Mr. Flags. I get what you're saying. It might go to 4,000, I guess. I'm kidding. It is good, man. Like, if you got free paint, if you ever published anything on Rarible, on Rare, I think, or maybe OpenSeas, I'm not sure where, but you can go to Mural and claim some paint. It's really cool. Make sure you do that. Bullish divergence, action to the upside. I know it's not just for me, man. I know streamers are having that problem. It started yesterday. For some reason, it started repeating. But it gets annoying because, you know, you start seeing things that are really not there. And it just keeps on going. It doesn't let me talk through that, right? So... What? Seamus is out again. He's here. Oh, why? Oh, because of the tips. Ah, I get it. We want to repeat that, did you prefer? Yes. If gas is low. Anyways. RSR, bullish divergence, a strong potential fraction to the upside. Let's see if we recover on that, right? That is it. Let's go to DVT, man. Again, DVT is not doing its best because someone's keeping it down on purpose, and that is really, really annoying. Will that bring dark mode on? Oh, we can look at dark mode. 8.5. It's just so sad to see DVT at this level, man. Because we know it's being artificially deflated by bad actors. How do we know that? Look at the order book. It's filled with so much BS. It's easy to tell, right? Look at the positions, right? Look at all these positions. 168, 175, 178, 179, 162, 162, 100. These positions are repeated. These positions are repeated, right? These positions are repeated. A lot of people are just placing like a dollar amount and they're just filling up the book with a dollar amount to make it seem as though the book is full. When you look up here, you notice that you don't have a lot of things, right? You can get to 20, which is 489,000 DVTs. It's not a lot to get pushed up there. It's actually not a lot to get it pushed here. Then the first actual big number, it's here, which is 152,000. After that, it's just peanuts again, right? So someone is trying to keep this price down. It really sucks, though, right? It really sucks, man. Right in the forecast, yeah. Let's get the MACD and the RSI. Again, it's a problem with the small projects, right? That a lot of people can come in and with very small amounts of money, they become whales. And the project can be manipulated, and that is what's happening right now. It's I do believe this is manipulation. You can look at the book and see how the orders like make no sense. Like, who buys $1 at the level, $1 at a level, $1 at a level? They just don't want to fill up the book, right? It's just BS. This is BS. Not seeing anything here that is bullish. Neutral at 48. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 41 again. Low, lower, negative, less negative. We're creating some strong bullish divergence here on this moves down. It's just fell into trigger, right? It's fell into trigger because we know it's being kept down on purpose by some people that probably want to buy at a lower price, and they're just putting pressure on the price to make it drop, and they can, you know, have the weak hands sell to them, and then, yeah, they'll pump it again. Crypto sneak. Let me wait until I do a recap, bro. Right? Maybe after GRT, we'll do a recap. Low to high. High to low. And then high to low as well. Again, low, high, negative, or negative. Low, lower. Again, some hidden bullish divergence here, right? Fraction to upside. So that's all we have right now for DVT. Unfortunately, I wish there was more. There isn't. We know it's being manipulated. It kind of sucks that assets can be manipulated so bad, right? By, you know, well, people want to take advantage of people that don't know what's happening, and they want to dump on them, which really sucks. They don't allow for free, real market flow, and all they see is just them getting benefited at the expense of other people by doing manipulation, which is wrong. But let's move on to something else. GRT. It'll explode when no one expects it. Yeah. Let's see if we can explode over its previous highs. Recent previous highs. The graph on the daily. Moving below at 236, heading to 382. We hit target now. Still trying to hold on to that. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here. Neutral at 48.93. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we're looking for some hidden bullish. We no longer have it. Remember, hidden bullish is finicky. We can drop until here, and we could have still had it, but, you know, now we're going lower. We no longer have it, and that is fine. That's how hidden bullish divergence works. So nothing here. We are sold at 37.41. Let's go to the 1-hour. 1 hour, we're looking for that bullish divergence. We did rally a little bit, have kept on dropping, and on these drops that we've been making, even to this one, we're just going lower still. All the same islands. So this divergence, this strong bullish is still there. It's playing, and then we just have it here on this last bit against the RSI. So again, strong bullish, action to the opposite. We started to recover. We're hitting that 20 and rejecting. We need to get above that 20 if we want to get back on the bull trend. Now, where is this bear trend at? I would be looking at maybe at a line like this, and that bullish candle is breaking it to the upside. How do we know this is the line? Rejection, 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 rejection again. So again, that this could be our resistance line. Then we're breaking above to try to make higher prices, right? So again, the graph not looking too bad right now. It's gonna start pumping. It's good. Let's see how this comes. If we get above that 20, we could be looking at something nice. If we fail to get at 20, we could be looking for more action to downside. Potentially put some pressure on the price to drop lower still. That being said, let's keep rolling. Bitcoin recap. Someone said the corn was pumping earlier. Let's see if the corn pumped. Did the corn pop? Yeah, it did go to that 20 and reject it. So we're really not doing a lot yet. Yep, not doing a lot yet. I'm not worried about Bitcoin, right? Someone said cup and handle. What cup and handle? Who called the cup and handle in Bitcoin? We don't have a cup and handle in Bitcoin. I don't think we have a cup and handle in Bitcoin. Weird. Can't remember talking about a cup and handle in Bitcoin, but we might have. I'm not sure. But I'm not seeing it here. Let's go to XLM. Excellent, at 37.8. Yeah, I talk about a cup and handle potentially on BTT, which if we actually do XLM, we're going to look at that real quick, BTT. It might still be there. I'm not sure, man. Not that BTT. This BTT. There we go. Yeah, I think we might have lost that handle. We did have to go from the lip. All right. From the lip to the bottom. And see if we dip to that 50%. Someone use the wicks. We did slightly wick below that 50. We could still be on that handle formation, right? We know that it has to be at least half of the cup, or it has to be above half of the cup. So we keep looking at this as a handle. Not ruling it out yet. I'm not ruling it out. Right? It's just target entry point still there. Target on the bottom just shifted. We're still at that 50 line that would be here. So we're still slightly above it, which is okay. And that note, that cup and handle could potentially come into play on BTT, right? Let's check. XLM, that's where we're at. Right, so XLM is trading right now medium bullish divergence against the MACD. Right. If it drops slightly lower than from where it's at right now, it's gonna start creating strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and nothing against the RSI, right? So right now we're at that point where if we drop a little bit more, we'll still be good, right? And if it pumps a little bit higher, we're going to be going low to high and then high to low and have some hidden divergence against the RSI. But again, it's trying to find support at the 382 line. Might try to bounce a little bit, maybe retest at 20 if this divergence comes into fruition. At that note, we're neutral at 42.25. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, flagging, right? It's a big flag that it's making. Had this medium, I think, bearish divergence, some kind of bearish divergence we call it here, man. Or it was hidden bearish. Move down on that. Dropped. 8. Low, lower, low, lower, negative, more negative. Negative, more negative still, right? Oh, lower, lower. Nothing here. Sold at 29.96. Let's go to the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, we still had this hidden divergence as well, moving down on that. Very interesting. What is this coming from? Is it the daily? Yep, I probably forgot to anchor on the daily. It was dropped more, right? Did we create something bullish? Nope. Here on the short term, we are creating some strong bullish divergence, right? On this last bit here, low, lower. We haven't pumped yet, all right? So keep looking for some action to the upside. So let's get this here on the daily. Let's go from here to here, right? And from here to here. So we are having some strong bullish divergence. Strong potential action to the upside here on Stellar. Right now it's there. Let's see if we can manage to get a rally. We still have not seen confirmation here on the RSI, right? We want this to point slightly higher. Or be upsloping still, so we can see that action going up. Sold at 32.20. That said, that's a good comp. Target to the upside would be that 20 moving average, or 38.73. The comp. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here. Hidden bullish, pumping on that. Go high. Nothing in comp. Again, just stagnation, sideways motion, consolidation still happening. Finding support at the 336. Wick below it, but still good. Let's go to the 4 hour. Hidden bullish. Try to rally in that. Low, lower, native. I think we do have an island here and then lower still. So I'm not going to call anything here. Mainly because we do have an island separation here. And I'm going to acknowledge it for what it is. That note, it is sold at 30.16. Let's go to the 1 hour. It doesn't have a lot, right? Doesn't matter. What do you mean you're out? You go get another beer, man. Order Uber to bring you a beer. Like, go to your magical cell phone and say, "Yo, Uber, bring me some beer." Anyways, what do we have here, man? Lower, and then we're going from dude here to here. By the way, what is your guys' favorite beers? Let me know. I'm interested. I actually want to see if I've known some of those. What are your favorite beers to drink? This is for comp again. Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Let's see if it manifests into a pump. Be right back, guys. Give me 1 quick second. Well, guys, give me your beers. Thank you for sticking with me to that small intermission. It's awesome. Let's see what you guys type. Let's see what you guys like drinking. Coors Banquet. I don't think I've had that one. Root beer. Interesting. Red. Ooh, interesting. Scalping IPA. I haven't had that one. I'm not sure if that one's good. Todd. Yeah, you can do bourbon if you want, man. I actually like Scotch, though. Red Horse, I don't think I've had that one. Guinness, yes, I've had that plenty of times. Busch Light, it's all right. Corona, it's okay. Tecate, it's also okay. I haven't drank Tecate. And Land Shark Dogfish had 120 IPA. That's pretty good, actually. I haven't had the 120 IPA, but I heard it's really good. Water 420. Ooh, I haven't had that one. Shock Top. Ooh, I've had that one before. I like Shock Top, actually. Schneider wise, I haven't had that one. Miller High Life, I've had plenty of times. Actually, my wife likes that one. Stella's good. Budweiser, but the Czech one, yes, the original Bud, yes, I've had that. It's pretty good. They brought it into Mexico for a little bit. I've had it before in Czech Republic and in the US. They brought it to Mexico for a little bit, but I think Budweiser like basically forced them to leave, and then they changed the name to Czech Var or something like that. And yeah. Cobra beer. All right. Wine Staffer. I haven't had that one. Hefeweizen. I have Hefen before, but not the one you're mentioning. Busch Light. Good English nut ale. Ooh, nice. Covers here. Can't get into IPAs. The hoppy taste. Dude, it's an acquired taste. I couldn't do hoppy beers before. I do now. They're good. Jarritos are not beer. They're like you know, soda pop drinks or whatever, man. Kronenberg, yeah, that one's okay. 1664, I had that before. Drinking whiskey, yeah, I'm drinking whiskey also. You're Dude, May, do you not drink? Interesting. Yeah, whiskey. Cheers, guys. I like this one. Before I didn't used to like the sherry cask whiskeys because some of them don't taste that good, but this one is actually fine. Actually, I can do it. It's good, man. Let's keep rolling, dude. That's it for comp. Now let's get into a better argument. Are hot dogs a sandwich? Some people do say hot dogs are a sandwich, man, right? It's bread, it's meat, it's on the middle of the bread. Yeah, it's like a baguette. You're some like sub sandwich, right? So, are hot dogs a sandwich? Let me know. What do you guys think about that one? Meanwhile, I'm gonna look for FTT. Get some Red Bull. Awesome. Mark Hill. Is John the house? I don't think John's in, dude. He's probably on Tom's Patreon. FTT. BTC. All right, on. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, dude. Mark Hill, I've not been around in a while. I know. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back. We miss you. We miss you very much here at the Set of Crypto. Thanks for being here and joining us tonight. Again, guys, remember, link to Patreon up top, link to our Teespring up top also, Discord if you want to join, and membership on YouTube if you want to join. It is right next to the subscription button. It comes in blue, and it allows you to use this crazy things of emotes that we're coming out with for Seamus drinking. Cheers, guys. There it goes. Seamus drinking. Some people say hot dogs should be sandwiches because it's bread and meat in the center, man. Not me, right? I do believe a hot dog is not a sandwich, but some people do, and there's arguments out there. People are trying to convince people that, you know, hot dogs are sandwiches. Like people saying that the earth is flat, right? Some weird stuff like that. FTX to Bitcoin. It is 6,000. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's showing 7. All right. So it's 64,000 sats, 64,830 sats. And what we're looking at here, it's a falling wedge formation that usually tends to break to the upside. Again, it's a consolidation pattern. We might get it moving up, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? We are getting some strong bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. I'm going to do the 1 hour because I'm already here. And that's where I started. So that being said, let's keep moving again. Neutral at 42.45. So again, there is strong bullish divergence here already. And the pattern, I'm going to change back to blue. Right, that way we know it is a pattern and not divergence. Not divergence, man. Divergence, not divergence. Here we go. I'm curious. Are, you know, kebabs a taco, right? Are kebabs Arabic tacos? That's actually pretty close to what tacos are, right? It's meat. It's the kebab you usually get on a flat bread or a pita bread, but you know, still more or less similar to a tortilla, right? And not a corn tortilla, but a flour tortilla, and or wheat flour tortilla. And that one's interesting, right? I'm not sure, man. If the bread breaks at the bottom, then it becomes a sandwich, right? Costco hot dogs are the bomb. Yeah, they're good, man. They're good, and they're cheap also. I usually just buy the large bread at Costco, and then just buy the sausages and make them at home. It's cheaper, and my kids like them. So. Anyways, fall wedge. Potential fraction to the upside. It's looking okay right now. Not really worried about it. Neutral at 42.45. breaking the fallen wedge to the downside would be bad. Fallen wedges tend to break the downside most of the time. So again, it could be getting value against Bitcoin on that. Let's go to the daily. Oh, we have some bearish divergence. Again, see, we're not getting coinciding variables. We're getting the opposite of coinciding variables. All right. We're creating bearish divergence. Strong for potential action to downside. Low, high, negative, more negative. All right. There is some hidden bullish against the MACD. That's fine. I'm just going to mark it against the MACD, not against the RSI because we don't have it there. And the move would be like this, right? So we're going up. Again, this is upsloping consolidation. You could say and argue that we consolidated sideways here, right? Then we bursted through the upside. Now we're starting to consolidate on the small flag formation, which is fine. Really got to figure out where this is going to go. With the bearish divergence, certainly going to put pressure on the price to go down. We do have support at the 20. And I'm not sure we're going to be able to fib this. We might go high to low and get some fibs to the upside here on the move. Particularly this move here, which is what I would be targeting right now for fibs to the upside and try to see where we're at. As you can tell, we are hitting that 26181, so rejected, trying to get back to it again. So we're between fibs. Yeah, it doesn't matter. That happens to me too sometimes. There's something that they put on the meat that just, yeah, yeah, not good sometimes, right? Yeah, it happens to me sometimes. Someone's gonna entertain. What? All tacos must be good. Yes, all tacos are usually good. Anyways, moving down, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Bought at 63.60. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Low to high. Negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here. Again, that consolidation that we had also on the 1 hour. It's easier to see here, right? Look at that fallen wedge. It's so much easier to see here and how it could break the upside, right? So interesting to see the fallen wedge clearly. And that way you know what we're talking about, right? That's going to be it for FTT to Bitcoin. Again, plus a little fraction to the upside, right? Why aren't alts moving up a lot? Because Bitcoin did move down a little bit, so alts are probably freaked out. Yeah, I also never had euros before. I heard they're supposed to be good, but who knows? It's going to be CH. There's a taco truck. I forget the name. It's like a fusion of Korean with Mexican food. It's real. They're supposed to be like really, really good tacos. I think it's Kogi. All right. Yeah, it is Kogi, dude. It's supposed to be really good. Kogi tacos with some bulgogi, dude. Oh, dude, that makes me hungry. I want to go. I want to go and eat Kogi tacos someday. Hopefully, they'll still be on business whenever I get to go to LA. They're Korean bulgogi. Yeah. Yeah. The Korean tacos, dude, on LA. Let's keep rolling, guys. Let's go to BCH. Let's finish BCH. And bearish divergence moving down on that. Great. Low, high. Low, low. All right. Some hidden bullish divergence. And we're getting that pump to the 20. Great, dude. That is it for this. Again, not really a lot. A lot of coins are still not developing anything. We're seeing a lot of indecision in the market. We're seeing a lot of sideways motion. Undos, redos, right? Like we go up, then we go down, undo, and then redo it again by going up. So we're seeing that decision happening across the markets. Neutral at 51.97. Again, Bitcoin just took nice action to the upside the last couple of days. It was fine. We're waiting for it. I believe Bitcoin can still go higher, but it's going to probably wait a little bit or maybe pull back down a little bit before it actually goes up again, right? What? High to low, high to low, high to low. Oh, lower, and then I got some Korean marinade for meat, so I'm gonna try to make my own bulgogi for something. So good. Again, we have this hidden bearish action and downside. It's putting some pressure on that price already. Nothing here. Neutral 52.57, dude. That is it for BCH. I mean, we do have that hidden bearish. I really wish we had something bullish. I'm not seeing any kind of pattern or anything forming here. No head and shoulders, nothing like that. Even if I zoom out, right? Look, we're getting here upsloping consolidation, if you will, and that is usually a rising. Yeah, we could go with this one, I guess. And we're starting to break the downside to that. We could be looking at some sort of rising wedge, and that would be bearish, right? Yeah, let me zoom in here a little bit more. I'm even going with the wicks, and we're not getting the best hits. But if we go with the wicks, we will be looking at something like this, maybe. Start to break the downside, try to break back in. But we are failing, and then I'll be going something like that, maybe, right? So I'm not even sure if I want to go with the wicks or the bodies, man. Might go with the bodies. Probably get better touch points. Look at that body hit, 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 hit. So again, it's making it sort of like a rising wedge. Why is it rising wedge? This is going higher. We could be breaking it to the downside again. And it's just an idea I'm playing around with right now for Bitcoin Cash. If we move down, well, no, it's probably because that rising wedge. Let's go to bat. Let's go to bat, man. So, interesting. Bat in the 4 hour on the daily. Bearish divergence, action downside, that is fine. Hitting support at that 786. Ooh, I moved some fibs by accident. Bearish divergence moving down, that is fine. Don't see anything off. Neutral, sorry, bought at 60.59. 4 hour, again, bearish divergence moving down. Not a lot yet. Negative, less negative, low to high. High to low, some hidden bullish. Again, not gonna be putting a lot of weight on this one right now because we don't have anything else. That looks good developing here, so I'll probably wait and be a little bit more reserved on bat. Actually, upside. Let's go to the 1 hour. strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, we might be trying to go for that 20. That'll be the actual move. Going for that 20 at 75.41. After that, we might try to retest that fib node here at 76.72. I gotta zoom out. I think it's a 236. Yeah, 236. It could be trying to hit. And on that note, we're neutral at 42.48. That is it for bad again, right? So might be getting some action to the upside again. Still down sloping. No longer consolidation. I mean, still down sloping. It's still a downwards move. Usually you get exhausted of just now. You get seller exhaustion. You're gonna start getting buyers come in and pick back up that slack, right? So. Let's go to, I think it was X and X. X and S that got requested. So X and S. Or XVS, I guess. XVS, there we go. Wrote X and X here on the chart. So we'll fix that real quick. We'll go with that. Jesus, man. There it is, man. There it is. Fixed it. Let's find it. $47. And 93 cents. What is happening with this project, man? What is it doing? Where's it going? Where's it coming from? Okay, so we can see the low, which again, low to high. Yeah, it says fibs, and we went to that 618. Now we're bouncing, trying to get about 382, and no, it says like, oh no, let's do a U-turn. Now we're gonna hit that 50. We're trying to bounce again. Not seeing anything bearish here, at least not on the longer term. The shorter term, yes, we do have a bearish divergence here for that movement down. It'll be against the RSI from here to here. And on that motion, we have this divergence, man.
Eyes, we are watching. BTW Martin, Seamus looks like he could use a sip.
Who's watching? Who? We're watching what? Doesn't matter. Seamus is drinking. He has a beer in his hand. All the time. Always. He's tiny beer, man. He drinks so much every day. Look at him. He's so freaking gone. He's so wasted. Seamus, the awesome Irish leprechaun that lives here on the stream. Hello. Neutral 49.4. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Low, high to low. Again, some bearish divergence here for action to the downside, right? It's already playing, so I think we might have some hit bullish. With that, we could be looking for some action to the upside again. Maybe retest that 20 moving average at $52.03 before actually break down again. Not really seeing a lot. If we go up there and hit that 20 and reject, we could be looking at a small head and shoulders starting to form here. Not seeing anything else here though right now, right? One could say 1, 2, and then 3. We could be looking for a 3 rising big pattern starting to form here on XVX, but we have not gotten that ascend yet to happen. Neutral at 45.32. So again, 1, 2, a potential third, and we keep looking for action to the upside. If that pattern confirms, right now it's still not confirmed. So remember that. Sorry, 1 second. There we go. Remember that other coins that we set? What? Dylan Kurt said we're going to million tonight. Yeah, why are people calling us for crazy targets, man? That's fine. Some of the potential pattern identification that I was doing yesterday, have not played yet, right? We still don't know if those patterns are going to be built. I'm going to have to check tonight again or tomorrow, see if we're starting to get that happening, right? Bitcoin moving up. Interesting. We're going to do Bitcoin in a little bit. Again, hidden bullish. Potential function upside. Let's go to the 1 hour. Coming lower, less negative rights. Again, first things first. In here. We're looking for that hidden divergence, right? Hidden bullish, popped up a little bit, moving back down. It's fine. On that second move, we're creating some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? And that move looks like this, and we don't have it here in neutral. So we sold at 37.25. That strong bullish divergence could get us to pump because we're near a support, right? Looking at that 50% line as support, and again, it's looking okay right now, with possibilities to bounce. And that bounce again could get us to a 20, maybe try to go higher, and we're looking at that other shoulder forming that could complete the head and shoulders pattern that we're looking for, and that could bring action to the downside, right? Again, XVX looking interesting. If we pump, we could start to confirm the 3 rising valley as well, right? It is part of playing those patterns. So, everyone vote for next stream goal for Eastro for Seamus. Oh, I get your beer's too low, Seamus. I'm sorry, man. Let's go to Dodge. Why do people insist on looking at Dodge, dude? It's a meme coin. It's, I mean, I'm not saying it's bad. You're saying it's a meme coin. This is not even the Dodge that we look at, I think. Is this a lot Dodge we look at? Let's go to daily. It is. It is the Dodge we look at. Interesting. Again, sideways motion, right? We hit that 1618. I'm gonna get rid of this fibs here. It makes no sense to using it right now. Going low to high again. We're retracing. We're between that 382 and that 236. Again, just sideways motion. We've been on that move for a while now. Almost dead on center on the pattern. 5.57 cents. Not really doing a lot. Nothing here. Nothing here, man. Neutral at 51.81. Lower, negative. Or negative, low to high. All right, some hidden, some not hidden, some strong bullish divergence here on against the RSI. High to low, then high to low. Neutral at 53.63. That's it, dude. Let's still be weed on my whiskey. Here you go, Seamus. Have a sip. Yeah, that's good, man. Seamus had a drink. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Join us on Discord. You haven't hit them likes, guys. Come on. We're bearish on the likes. Hit them likes. It is a slow day, dude. I think people are getting shadow banned today. Tom was saying something about not hitting like half of the people that he usually has watching. We're also weak on people today. We haven't even gotten to 100 views, and we usually have 100 people watching, so interesting, right? Straw for Seamus. Interesting. That's a new hashtag. Go make it popular and trending on Twitter, and more people might come in, right? Someone said sandal, cup, and handle. So we'll look at sandal, see if it has a cup and handle. Yes, we already discussed sandals, cup and handle formation. Can't remember if it was on the daily or the 4 hour. 4 hour, here we go. Cup and handle. Waiting for it to settle because everything's off. Here we go. Handle forming, right? I mean, I don't think the cup and handle here is going to play. I didn't measure when I did this, right? It looks like a cup and handle, but a cup and handle has to have a 30% rise. And when I was doing this one, I didn't really take to measure. I just assumed, but no, it's 11%. So this cup and handle is no good, man. Right, no good. It does not play. Let's go to this cup and handle formation. It's not there, man. There are rules for pattern formation, and a cup and handle has to have at least a 30% rally before the first flip. So we're not getting that rally because we're actually coming from a high point. So this, although it looks like a cup and handle, it is not a cup and handle. These actually are inverse pipes, so they usually don't play the upside. So interesting. Daily, I wouldn't say cup and handle yet, man. 1 month chart, not log, right? This is not a cup and handle by any means. I'm looking at the month. It's not a cup and handle, man. Cup and handle has to have a rally of sorts. Even though it's starting, we could say, okay, it's starting. We're far off from making a cup. It just looks like an inverse J. I'm not seeing it, man. Yeah, but that's not how cup and handles work, man. It is. I don't think it's there right now, bro. Not yet. Not yet, buddy. You have 3 likes in that count. Ooh, we're at 76 out of 76. We're at 100 viewers, 100% viewers, 100% likes, right? Look at that, it says 78. Oh, now we just moved 78 out of 76. 2 more likes, come on. Today's a slow night. That's it, guys, that's it. We've covered everything. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin and see if it's true that it's pumping again. Oh, it looks like Bitcoin wants to hold on to its area here at 56,700. Ooh, not sure we're gonna actually get 57K again. We got above the 20, moving back down. It's all good right now. Again, it's a weekend. It might be slow. I hope it's slow. Usually when I say I hope it's fast, we get slow weekends. I hope this time we do get a slow weekend. I do want to kind of take it easy. Chinese food any good in Mexico? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Harmonics, interesting. I usually don't like doing harmonics, but it is fine, brother. Hiker Jesus, I already told you how to request, man. If you don't want to request the way it's requested, that's fine. I'm not gonna look at it, man. Can I do a recap on ADA? Sure, man. Well, it's regular food. Doesn't matter. Thanks for asking. It's everyday food, man. How about, but it's really freaking good, by the way. How about where you are from? How's the Mexican food there, man? Is it any good? Have you ever had real Mexican food? Let's start with that one. Like, and Taco Bell is not real Mexican food, by the way. Don't be saying, yo, yeah, I had Taco Bell. It's really good, man. Doesn't count, man. It doesn't count. ADA, sure. 88. Yeah, it's fine. Del Taco, it doesn't count as Mexican food as well. Chance Bitcoin have test 58 before going. It doesn't. There's like nothing count high powers. Like how many times can it try to go up? Your guess is good as mine, man. All right, there is no count for that. You're in California, what? Yeah, Mexican food in Mexico is really good, man. Where's your region, Tot? Taco Bell. Dorito. Yeah, that doesn't count, bro. Taco Hell. That's what we used to say at the university. Taco Hell. Sometimes it was the only tacos that we had open. It was like, you know, they're not tacos by any chance. Right. Man, interesting. Hiker Jesus correlation is not equal causation. I agree, Andrew. Let's go to ADA. Someone said recap it. Recap it, yo. Do the ADA. And we're doing the ADA, man. Going down. Fun support. Reverting it a little bit. Let's go on the 4 hour, man. Bro, ADA. It has. Bullish divergence strong. It is pumping a bit. Great, man. For some reason, I threw fibs here. I can't remember what we had, but for some reason, I had the fib high to low. See if we started retracing. Yeah, we're starting to retrace. It's going green. It's good. It's above the 20. It actually is good. I'm not joking. That strong bullish divergence seems to be playing. Could be targeting that 382. We call for that target already. If we get above the 20, and I think we got above the 20, so it's fine. No, above that 382 at $1.08. We're looking at $1.10. Then above that, $1.13. We are starting to make some hidden divergence though, right? Just keep that into consideration. That might start to put some pressure on that price. We're going high to low. Right. And then we're going low to high, right? So ADA, again, I don't have anything against it. It's doing okay right now. It could still go on bullish, but this bearish divergence, this hidden bearish, might just start putting some pressure on the price to go down. Again, just be careful, right? I'm not saying don't get into it. I do believe it could be setting up for a good reversal to happen. I'm just saying that there is that divergence there, right? You gotta acknowledge what's there. It can start putting some pressure, but it's still good right now. Strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish, so you can even come back down slightly and then run up again on a fail to drop lower than the previous low. You know, like when we do this and it's higher, and then we say, look, if we rally but we fail to get higher than the previous high, we're looking for action downside continuation of the bearishness like we had here. Look, hidden bullish. We pumped on that, failed to get higher than the previous high. We had strong bearish. We broke down. Same applies here. We have strong here we had strong bearish and hidden bullish. So here we have strong bullish and hidden bearish, right? So it's the opposite. So we're looking at the same thing. We might get action to the downside again, maybe to retest support at the 0.236 at $1.05. You can try to rally from it. What's up, dude? Thank you very much for that.
Thanks,
Appreciate
Martin, for looking at ADA. Have a great night.
Yo, thank you very much, dude. I really appreciate it. I really legendary, man. There it is. So cool. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it when you guys tip. When you guys donate to the channel, it's good to feel appreciated like that with the donations, and it does help reach some of the goals that we have for the channel. So, for example, getting a new laptop, right? That's gonna allow me to travel. Right now, I'm basically bound to be home, and right now the COVID's starting to die out a bit. Vaccinations coming out. Travel might open up again. I'm probably gonna start traveling a little bit for work. I won't be able to be doing streams because I don't have a laptop to do streams out of. I don't have a good setup to be able to do streams out of when I'm traveling. I'm not going to be carrying my desktop computer with me on an airplane. So again, getting a good laptop that can handle what I need with the space that I need, and it being future proof, it's something that I would really be looking for to get, and that could help me basically do streams when I'm away. Try to do other stuff while I'm traveling, and that's gonna be interesting, right? So again, use the camera. I can take my mic with me. The mic is not that big. The camera, I can put it on the camera bag. I'll take my laptop with me, take the lights again with me. Everything is very portable. Even if I don't take my main camera, I still have my small Logitech camera, which is better than whatever webcam I'm gonna get on the laptop. And I can still take that one with me. It's small enough that I can carry it. And again, I also have a travel mic somewhere around here. That is a small Samsung mic, and that one I can also take with me. And, use it for streaming. So again, I do have stuff that I can carry away. I just don't have a laptop that I can take with me. And my old laptop that I used to use for that, it was so old and so bad that it just died. So. Doesn't matter what. I'm not sure I got the comment. Korean Batsai, if you come to LA, I'll invite you for some dinner. Let me know. Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. That'll be really cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to be in LA, but I will let you guys know if I'm going to the States where I'm going to be at, and we might do a small State of Crypto meet and greet or something like that. That'll be really good. So, Andrew, thank you for being here, man. I really, really appreciate you were here. I'm not sure if Craig says he's leaving, but someone said, I think you were saying thank you, and that's it. But Andrew, thank you very much for that, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the kind donations. I love Korean food, by the way. I used to have a lot of Korean friends when I was at the university. I ate so much Korean food. So good. Homemade Korean food was really, really good, particularly kimchi. Excellent, Papa Tat. Let's go check it. I'm not gonna be making a new projects right now. I already closed the request. I'm just chilling, having fun with you guys, having a drink. You were saying back to that. Interesting. Yep. Bitcoin at 57. Did we reach it? Did we finally get there? 57. We did. There it is, dude. Someone said Bitcoin was gonna hit 57 in the stream. It did. Jack Park, I think you said 50. Bitcoin's gonna hit 57 in the stream. It is there, man. It is there, brother. Someone said XLM is. Hey, Carlson, you're out of whiskey. Ooh, that sucks. Can I buy another Seamus? I gotta see if I can find one, May. This Seamus actually almost 10 years old. So he's an old Seamus. I had him for a long time. Yeah, actually, the sticker says 2010. I know I didn't buy it in 2010. And I already contacted the manufacturing company. They don't have any more Seamuses, unfortunately. I did want to buy some to resell or send one around the world. It's a pretty good idea. But I haven't... I haven't found one. That kind of sucks. It would be nice to send a Seamus with something so you all can sign it, right? And in the end, it just makes a round trip, comes back to Mexico. I get it here, and then I have all yours. Messages, and I can put it as decoration. That'd be really cool. I'll see if I can find one. I'll see if I can find another one. That is a really good idea, man. Unfortunately, there's not many Seamuses left out there, man. I think I'm gonna have to hunt for one. Todd says I got too much whiskey right now. Todd, you're always drinking, man. Margaritas or whiskey or something. That's pretty good, though. You're chill. I have a lot of whiskey, too, man. I have at least 3 bottles open that are right next to me. I don't drink all of them at the same time, but good. Send you a pic of the label on Discord? Yeah, man, sure, why not? All arrested for drunk in public? No. Let's say that we didn't. We didn't. Send him to Florida. Yo, for real. So you can, like, we can start sending him around the world, man. There's people here that watch from all over the world, man. We can put in the Discord, and y'all can sign up and, have Seamus start traveling the world. Become an actual globetrotter, right? What do you mean the reason James is missing? I will, dude. Yep. That's awesome. Let's keep rolling, dude. Let's keep looking. Bitcoin again. Oh, 56,000. It dropped. Someone said XLM. Let's do XLM. XLM. Yeah, it started to rally a bit. Right, we had the bullish divergence, so yeah, it's good. Again, target the 20, right? That 20 sitting at 38.66 cents. Not too bad. Did paint kept on growing and making paint? Is paint getting better? I wonder if the paint is getting better. Someone tagged me here for something. Firebeard, interesting. I see what you wrote there about the GPU. I'm not sure how portable that is though on a plane, right? I mean, I'm gonna be limited for space with a backpack, and one thing that I can carry on, it's probably gonna basically be this camera that I have here that I'm gonna be taking with me. So I'm worried about that eGPU box taking a lot of space, right? Because I gotta travel with many things. So it looks good, man. I will check into it, but I might just need to get a PC with punch or a laptop with punch. We'll see, man, right? We'll see. It looks interesting, though. Thanks for letting me know about that. Well, the whole thing about having the laptop is that wherever I can go with that laptop and be able to stream from wherever. So I need something that has power. So if I have to carry that laptop with me and that GPU also, I don't have a laptop to put that or plug that into, right? And you gotta consider this. A lot of things that I have take some sort of USB port. So for example, my camera goes to HDMI, so that's fine. My lighting, both the lights go to USB. My keyboard is gonna use a USB dongle. My mouse is gonna use a USB dongle. What else am I gonna be taking, dude? The mic's also gonna be USB. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of USB things, right? Yeah, there's USB monitors that are really thin. They look like a tablet. So if I'm able to get a good laptop, I can just plug those in. Also, that's gonna be something else. Those traveling monitors, or those USB monitors, are 2 more USB ports that I'm gonna need, and I'm gonna be needing at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 USBs, so I can do everything, right? Here's a major suggestion: HP Omen 15. How much is that one, Chandler? Chandler with the suggestion for a laptop. Yeah, I agree, dude. 1,500 range. Interesting. Yeah, Andrew, but you got to think about this, right? I got a remote into my home that's going to put some lag into the connection. And I'm also going to have to stream from there, which is going to put it's like a double connection that I have to deal with, right? So it might not be that good, man. Because when you're traveling, sometimes hotel internet's not that good, especially if I have to relay to home and then from home to somewhere else. So yes, I've looked into that. Am I original from Mexico? Yes. Interesting, man. I was looking over here on Exotic PC for something like Exotic PC is where I bought one laptop a long time ago. It lasted 10 years. It had 2 GPUs. It was a beast back then. And it was like, it was future-proof for 10 years. I was still able to play some games that consume a lot of power and on a 10-year-old laptop. So it was like a top-of-the-line laptop. But that one I had to pay $3,000 for. I'll back on 2009. 2008. Back in 2008. It's finally retired. It's just collecting dust now somewhere. But these guys do have pretty nice setups, and they do come with for example, this one's $1,799. It comes with a GeForce RTX 3070, and it's not that bad. It has 1 terabyte. So it has a newer graphics card, and it's a Ryzen 9. So it's like 200 or 300 more than what you're telling me. So this Asus ROG Strix is looking pretty good. Plus, it's customizable here. It's 15 inch. It's not 15 inch. It's 17 inch, right? Full HD, 300 hertz. I was looking at this one. I can customize it a little bit more. So I could add an extra hard drive for not that much. I think it's $100 for an extra terabyte. So yeah, it's interesting, man. Right? It is interesting. I was looking at this one actually for a model that I could get. Right? It has I think 32 of RAM. Maybe it has 16 of RAM. So I would have to upgrade the RAM and something else, but it's looking pretty good, right? It's not too expensive. It is going to be with the new GeForce RTX 3070. The only problem is that they're ETA for June. I mean, everything that has the 3070 or the 3080 is for June setup. So, and it's not super expensive, right? It is expensive for a laptop, but again, it was going to let me to basically be future-proof for a little bit. It's having some top-of-the-line graphics card. Is going to have a very nice processor in there. Nice screen size, right? 17 inches. Right now, I have running two 24-inch screens. So if I get two 17-inch portable screens or even 15-inch portable screens, I will be able to have a very nice setup for travel as well. Right. I should have gotten the Aces, but HP was so cheap with a student deal. Ooh, that's interesting. VPN is a must to help lagging. Interesting, dude. How? Let me know how. Because I think VPN adds an extra layer of connection. The Zephyrus, the one with two screens, Chandler. That one's super expensive, dude. That was like 2,600, I think. 2,800. Right? And the thing is, I can get this one to have more than this one, just that screen is off, right? So I can add more RAM, at least 16 gigs more, and an extra hard drive, so 2 terabytes instead of the one it comes with. And it's still below this price, and it still leaves me money to buy 2 monitors that I can put on the side that will be the same price as this one, right? So again, this small extra screen of real estate that I get here, it's so much better if I can get 2 screens on the side and more power on the same one. Specs wise, it'll be the same, right? Look, this one even has less screen real estate. It's 15.6 on the main one, 300 hertz, so it's pretty much the same. Again, same processor, same graphics card, same capacity of RAM. This one actually holds more RAM, so I'm able to upgrade it more later on. 1 terabyte again 5.95 pounds, a little bit heavier, but I do believe this one I can, with an extra hard drive, with extra RAM to make it 32 and match what they're offering on the base model here. It's still far less than this one, and I can buy two USB monitors with their money and have a pretty solid trade and travel setup instead of just buying this one with this smaller screen that just makes it more expensive, right? I've been looking at how to maximize it and maximize money. 17.3 is too big. Dude, Andrew, I agree. But when you have as many things open as I do, it's just not good, man. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but oh, let me see if I can switch this. I might be able to show what my screens look like here. I need an extra screen, by the way. No joke, I need a third screen, and they're 24 inches, dude. So here's the OBS. Let me see if I can do this one right. Will this one go here? Nope. Here. This is the screen that I have right now. So this is where you're seeing the OBS. So it's gonna become a little bit weird. But without the OBS, this is where I have the YouTube open, so I can know that the stream is running healthy and everything else. I have chat right next to it. I have the update list here, and then Discord also pops up here when I need to see something on the Discord, right? And then OBS is also here. So on real estate screen, this is a 24-inch screen that it's so cluttered. And then on the other screen, you're not gonna be able to see it, but the graph takes most of the screen, and I just have a small section of the side, about the size of this square here. That is where I have the playlist. So I'm already like very, very short, and like the chat's hidden sometimes, so it becomes a little bit of a hassle to just stream with the 2 screens. If I want to be able to see the chat properly and have everything a little bit better for the stream, I need to get at least one more monitor. So it is interesting, right? And again, most of the time I'm looking at this and it's tinier than I should be looking at. So again, back to our regular screen. And again, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Link is in the description. So again, yep. So if you think this is cluttered with 24 inches, imagine if I had it on a 15-inch screen. It's just I'm not gonna be able to have everything show properly. I'm not gonna be able to have this screen here at the same with the same projection going on, and then the side screen is also gonna be a little bit mess, right? So I do need that. Can it tell you how much RAM is expandable in those modes? Yes, it says up to 64. Well, no ThinkPad. I just want to know. I haven't looked at that. I have ThinkPads for the office. I don't think they have the power for streaming though. I might be wrong though. It might be a gaming laptop. Who knows? Yeah. My old laptop was really thick. I don't have it here. My old laptop weighs a brick and it's like this thick, but it has 2 graphics cards on it, dude. It was a beast. And that's like over 10 years ago now. Oh, I'm held. Interesting. I might do that, man. Yeah, USB monitors should be fine, at least for what I need. Because I don't need them to be doing high-end tech stuff or design on them. So far, I can see the graph. It's not gonna matter. Because what I see here on my screen and how the color works in my screen is not what you get on your end, right? You know, it's all what comes in the PC and goes to you. So if I move things here on the screen to make it brighter, less bright, that doesn't affect you on your viewing side. So for me, it doesn't have to be the best monitor. It just has to be a working monitor that I can get to show on the screen. For example, this one is in pesos, by the way, so don't freak out. It's like $150. But this, again, in Mexico, they're a little bit more expensive than they should be, but it's an Asus 15-inch, 15.6 is a USB 3, so it doesn't really take a lot of space. It does have its own little small stand where I can just place it and then be able to look at it, but it is a good USB monitor. It's just like a tablet, right? So that's all I need. I need 2 of those to travel with. And my setup is ready. I need a laptop and 2 monitors. That's it. I mean, the same mouse that I have works. The mic works, you know. Everything else is just reusable. I just take it on the road and when I'm back here, so you know, that's that. I don't see color right anyway. I know. Screw you, MA. Thank you very much for reminding me I'm colorblind.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Is nicer for extended splicing the pinch? Yes. So if in this setup, that is 2 24-inch screens, almost 25, 24 and a half. I already need a third one. On those tinier ones, the 3 are just gonna be basically what I need to go with. So that's what I'm looking for, right? So laptop is the goal. Laptop. So I gotta figure out like the actual price for what I need on the laptop. And that's gonna be the killer point. And like I said, I want to future-proof it so I don't have to be buying a laptop in a couple of years because it's no longer good for streaming. So I want it to be a good workhorse that even if my main desktop blows up for some reason, that laptop can take that heat and can handle the pressure that I'm gonna be putting onto it by connecting like 3 screens onto it, the camera, you know, the whole setup basically onto the laptop. It's so I'm able to stream. So that's why I want that laptop to be working as a backup and as a travel replacement for my stream setup. Sure, EOS, and that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna sign off soon. EOS on the daily, hidden bullish, nothing else developing below the 36, but above that 50%. Great, bouncing, awesome. Nothing else happening here. All right, let's go to the 4-hour EOS. We had this kind of fallen wedge that we can still adjust. It'll still be fallen wedge again. You know, just better, probably getting better anchoring points. And again, this hidden divergence is still in play. We did bring us that stagnation action to the upside, rejected. Now we drop lower, and again, we are finding that we have this hidden divergence, but now we also have it against the RSI, right? So that could be a kicker here for stagnation action to the upside again. We are neutral at 40.91, and on that note, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had this bearish divergence that was going to put pressure on the price to go down. That is fine. Remember that line I had here going like this on the other chart for that fallen wedge, not down sloping triangle, the fallen wedge. Again, that would be that support there that I just drew, and then the other line would have been looking at something like this, right? So again, fallen wedge on the 4 hour. Here, it looks more like a falling channel or a down sloping channel. Again, on the short term, low, lower negative, less negative, right? Low to high, that's it. You have some divergence. It is bullish. It's looking really good. There it is, right? That bullish divergence fraction to the upside. Moving up. Hitting very close to that 20. Trying to get above it. So it's good. High to low. About the same height. So we're about to start creating some hidden bearish. So 006. 007 slightly higher now. Ooh, no. Bearish slightly higher. So low to high now. So we probably pumped a little bit more, right? It's pumping. That's what it's moving up a little bit more. But we're starting to create some of that hidden bearish. That's going to put some pressure on the price. Again, it's too early to tell if that's going to hold or not, right? We could be going bullish on the fact that we have this strong bullish divergence direction to the upside. On that note, we have it against RSI as well. We're neutral at 48.03. That is it for EOS. Let's go back to the corn. Neutral 49.76, sorry. No, not yet. Oh, the daily you said. Sorry. Yeah. Tom did that today, actually. I was watching the stream, he did that. Could this be a cup and handle? The lips are off. But yeah, I see what you're saying, right? This could be the cup, and then this is the handle. The lips are off. They should be more or less the same height. But we are coming at least for a 30% rally from the previous move. So from here to here, we are doing a 79% rally. So it's all good. I mean, it could, but it's too short for a cup, right? You do want to have at least a little bit more of a cup formation, right? A cup takes, what is the minimum? 7 days. So we're looking at least 7 patterns or more, right? But, you know, it could be that we're forming a cup and handle. Again, the lips are off. It could be that we pump on it, right? Because the market is bullish, but I wouldn't be calling this necessarily a cup and handle 100%. Tom was looking at that, right? Tom looked at that earlier. I posted on the Discord. He was live. Yeah, I mean, you're going to get different charts. You're going to get different things because remember, the Canadian dollar to US dollar is not always 1%. You have fluctuations between Canadian dollars and US dollars. So if the US dollar strengthens, the Canadian dollar is going to be worth less against the US dollar. Thus, you might see a fluctuation in the price of the Canadian dollar against Bitcoin, where Bitcoin looks stronger because, you know, it's spread against the US dollar. Or mostly trading is against the US dollar. Same thing for the euro, right? If you go to the euro, it's going to look different because the euro might be appreciating or depreciating in value against the dollar. And since most of the trading happens against the US dollar, you're going to have those exchange rates play differently on the chart. So yes, they are different. You're not going to be looking at the same moves. There will be similar moves, right? But they're going to be a little bit off depending on how the exchange rate dollar to whatever parity exchange you're looking for to place against Bitcoin. Yeah. No one is rising from the ashes. No one has gone to the ashes, dude. Everyone's like freaking flying high. They're just like, they're like paragliders. They found this heat stream. Everyone rose with it. Now, like, they're going down. They're trying to find the next heat stream so that all paragliders can rise with the change of air currents, right? So we're trying to see if that can get this higher point here. I want to do that here. I want to do that here. Look, I'll show you. So I can get this to show here. Give me 1 second. So here are some rules for identifying a cup and handle, right? There's no getting around the identification guidelines. That is what you're looking for. Rising for the cup is at least 30%. So you're going to look at a 30% rally before that happening, right? U-shaped cup and handle duration. If it's a V-shaped cup, it doesn't work. So the guy even removed it. He says he doesn't know how this affects the performance. That'll be interesting to see. But it says he removed those cups with less than 7 days or 5 trading days. And a cup without a handle is just a roundabout, right? Cup duration. Duration were fewer than 7 weeks. So, 7 weeks is a lot of days, right? They remove cups with less than 7 weeks. Times that the number of days, right? 7 times 7. You'll get how many days you should have at least for your cup formation, or 7 times 5 if you're looking at regular market. But it cannot be over 65 weeks as well, right? Candles from the handles from on the upper half of the candle, right? That's also one. And the cups lips are near the same price, right? So the tops have to be more or less the same price if you want to have better chance of them playing out. Here he has a cup to here. Again, the price is more or less the same. Again, and this would be the handle portion here. So you're looking at more or less a similar price on this cup and handle. And something that I was telling you guys about cup and handles was, look, you have a prior cup with a handle, right? You get the pullback. This one didn't quite play out, but you create another cup, right? With a handle now, right? And that led you to another cup formation, right? So sometimes they do come one after the other. That's why when I was looking at another project earlier, I did say something about him. Now, he says that this one is not a cup and handle. You don't want to have, right? This is an invalid, right? Invalid cup and handle pattern, right? So the book is good. I mean, it does have some nice information. I'm just telling you, this is not a cup and handle. It doesn't have the duration. It does have that rally that you need to, right? More than 30%, but the duration is not there. The lips are not the same height. It's just different. So, no, I don't think it does, Andrew. I can't remember that part. I would have to reread the whole cup and handle chapter for that. But I don't remember it saying it. But anyways, dude, that's awesome. Thanks for being here. Not sure how many people we picked up today. It's been a good stream, though. It's been a lovely stream. We only pick up 3 subscribers. That is good, though. Any sub is better than no sub day, right? That's what I need for right now, guys. We covered mostly everything. Again, not the best day for some reason, like, crypto channels are being shadow banned today again. It's just weird how YouTube does this, right? That shadow ban content, it's weird. How to do the curve line on TradingView? You're not gonna be able to see it, but you have your drawing. I'll show it. I'll make it. See if I can get it to show here on the stream. Let me see on the, again, I have to click here to make sure, right. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, your 4th tool, drawing tool. You usually have the brush showing there. Just go here, select curve, and then just draw it, right? Then you adjust the points on the curve. Do whatever you need. That's how you draw the curves on Trading View. It's called the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, second edition by Thomas Wilkowski. Produced by Wiley Trading, or printed by Wiley Trading. It's all good, man. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a stream for today. It's not super late. I'm able to catch a movie with the wife, so that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. The link's in the description. Not the description, pin up top. Join our Patreon. Join our membership club on YouTube. All the content that we produce here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. I have to say that. I'm not a financial advisor. Also have to disclaim that. And talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Again, I do want to grow this community. If you want to help me, just retweet our tweets. Let people know that we are here. Help me bring awareness to the channel. And cooler things will be happening here, guys. Again, tomorrow, episode 500. Don't miss it. On that note, I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for that donated, that hit the like, that hit the sub, that hit the bell. All you guys that watch, thank you all for being here. Even if you watch for a second and you just don't know, I'm thanking you. Thank you very much for being here. You don't know how much it means to me that you guys want to chill with me and look at charts with me. SBCA, dude, ping me on the Discord. I don't know who you are. I pinged another guy believing it was you, but he said, no, I'm not SBCA. Ping me on the Discord, dude. You told me something yesterday. I wanted to discuss with you. Forgotten what it was, but I couldn't find you. On that note, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Korean Batsai, Christina, SB, MA, you know, everyone that's coming, Andrew, Soka, Gavin, False Flags, Jack Proc, you know, everyone that came in, everyone that donated, thank you all for being here. That was just the ones I can remember right now at the top of my head. Hot Card Jesus, even if you were trolling people, thank you for being here, man. And that's it, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Till then, Crypto Boomer's in the house. Good night, Boomer.